In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align to key object in Figma. Begin by opening your design. Make sure the objects you want to align are visible on the canvas. It helps to select only the layers involved in this alignment so you don't accidentally move anything else. You can drag a selection box around them or click to select each one. The key here is that all the items you want to align should be part of the same active selection. Next, designate your key object. With your group of objects selected, click the specific object you want everything else to align to one more time. You'll see a thicker bounding box appear around that layer. That thicker outline is your confirmation that this is the key object. It will stay put, and everything else in your selection will move relative to it. Now use the alignment tools in Figma's top toolbar on the right side. You can align left, align horizontal centers, align right, align top, align vertical centers, or align bottom. Click the option that matches what you need. Because you set a key object first, Figma aligns every other selected layer to that fixed object, not to the frame or the overall selection. If something doesn't look right, press undo and try a different alignment until it snaps exactly where you want it. If you prefer working with a plugin, here is a streamlined option as well. Open the plugin launcher by pressing Ctrl+/, then search for Align to and open it. The plugins panel will appear over your canvas so you can keep an eye on your layout while you work. Inside the plugin, choose the specific layer you want everything else to align to. This is your fixed reference. Just like the key object in the native method, make sure the other objects you want to move are selected in the canvas. Then, in the plugins panel, click the alignment buttons you need. Align left, align horizontal centers, align right, align top, align vertical centers, or align bottom. The selected objects will shift into place relative to your chosen key layer, while that key layer remains stationary. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.